Hey guys, welcome to another knife review. Today we're going to be taking a look at kind of an interesting paramilitary too. I'm excited to check it out. Got a bit of desiccant in the box to prevent it from rusting. Comes in a little plastic sleeve as usual. I think this is Spyderco's flagship model, the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. And in this one, it's really unique because they used micarta for the handle scales. It's a bit flimsy, so they needed to support that thinner material with a full liner scale. Right out the box, we're looking at 3.8 ounces. That's pretty light, actually. Let's get some measurements of this Paramilitary 2. Overall length is a little over 8 inches. Blade length is a little under 3.5 inches. And the handle length is 4 3/4 roughly. So very medium-sized knife. Here it is next to a typical Swiss Army knife, 93 millimeter. Here it is next to the Paramilitary 3. This is a very interesting crossover. This is the Stretch 2 in K390, sort of the lockback version of this knife. You can see very similar design. The blade is almost identical. There are slight differences in the choil area here. And here we have the Benchmade 940. Another very apt comparison. Very similar length, vastly different design. Yeah, overall my first impressions of this knife are pretty good. I would recommend this for somebody who is looking for a unique design on their Paramilitary 2 with these full liners. It's a sandwich fabric. I think it's linen with a resin that holds all of the fibers together. So there's actually little hairs kind of sticking off of it, and I'm sure as time goes on and it wears in, it'll become a little bit polished on the edges, and I'm sure some dirt will get in here. The crew wear will develop a patina over time as well, as it's not a stainless steel. Definitely picks up fingerprints very well. Now the action on this one right out of the box is pretty good. It doesn't have drop shut action, and sometimes the detent doesn't allow proper flick out. They always put the pocket clip for tip down carry, which is a bit strange. I'll probably end up switching that. Let's test how sharp this blade is. Got some composition notebook paper right here. Let's just see how this edge is going. Oh yeah. Man, this thing is really, really sharp. Oh yeah. Can definitely shave. This knife is razor sharp right out of the box. Great job, Spyderco. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving the video a like. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.